Hey everybody, Chris Magnotta coming to you with another edition of Wealth Wednesday, and today we're going to talk about the Fed meeting. The reason why is because it was today, so it's hot off the press, fresh, fun, exciting info, but also everyone wants to know, what's the Federal Reserve going to do? What changes are being made? So, I bring you the latest and greatest, hot off the press, what's going on with the Federal Reserve. So first of all, they did not raise or lower interest rates today, and that was expected. No shocker there. But when these Fed meetings happen, it's the speeches that follow the Fed meeting that drive the markets. In fact, it's been a very volatile day. We've had interest rates go up. We've had them go down, at least mortgage-wise. The Federal Reserve, of course, they deal with the Fed funds rates. But, again, the speech afterward is what's driving the markets. And so, if you could summarize what happened today, it would be a hawkish hold. Translation for hawkish hold is probably not going to cut interest rates at the next Fed meeting, which is in March. Now, the market had planned on a 50-50 shot of a rate cut in March. So the Fed basically is saying no. In fact, let me tell you exactly what the Fed said. The Fed does not expect it will be appropriate to reduce the target range until it has gained greater confidence that inflation is moving sustainably towards its 2% target. Translation? No soup for you. We're not going to cut rates until we have more confidence that inflation is going down. So, now, while it is unlikely now that they're going to cut rates in March, there is still a 95+% probability that there will not only be rate cuts this year, but 3 rate cuts this year. And that doesn't change the Fed's dot plot either, which is the Fed's projection for rate cuts, and they're still projecting 3 rate cuts this year. So, if I had to sum it all up, patience. Patience is what the Federal Reserve is saying. Unfortunately, that has been the theme for the last year, right? We've been like, oh, patiently waiting for these interest rates to drop. And now, more patience is required. So, I still think there's a high probability of a Fed cut now in the May meeting, but for a Fed cut to happen by March, seems like we're going to need some pretty big economic data drivers that are going to push that one way or another. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. If you liked the video, click like. If you have questions about financing a home, give us a call. Let us know. Happy Wednesday.